You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it. In a private plane, I'll lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me bank on it.
So hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hey girl, my name is Lucy. I always say to stay subscribed, you have a good time on this channel. I'm a little bit irritated because I filmed this entire intro, even went a little bit further into the video and my mic wasn't on. Okay, so we're going to quickly do the intro. Today's video is a hair install, and I typically do not speak on my videos, like my hair install videos. I'm so sorry if you hear any sound. I hope you don't. It's hot inside my apartment and the windows are open. There's like a plane flying by. I decided to switch it up a little bit today because I want to do something different with this wig. So I'd like to talk a little bit in the video. The hair we're going to be working with today was sent to me by Megalook. As per usual, obviously they always come with like the edge band, edge brush, also included an elastic band for inside the wig. It's also removable, which is really nice, so you could, you know, interchange it if you need a band or if you don't need a band. A wig cap and, you know, some type of clip. That's all we're working with for this week. So they sent over their loose deep wave hair. I've had deep wave hair long ago, like years ago, and that's the reason why I'm actually talking in this video, because I want to do something different with this. I have it in 26 inch and it's a 13x4 lace. It claims to be pre-bleached, pre-plucked, and all that good stuff. Okay, so this is the wig sitting on my head right now. I combed out the curls, removed the middle part, also plucked the sides a little bit. And I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys watch me install this hair. If you're new on my channel, I usually don't do too much to my wigs, okay? I love glueless wigs. I love beginner friendly wigs. I love wigs that you could literally wear and go. I love wigs that you could only use, you know, a holding spray for and you'll be good. Doesn't matter what temperature, what time of the day, it doesn't matter. I love this type of wigs, and on my channel most of my wigs are that, okay? I don't do a ton of wig reviews. If you know me, you know that, but I work with certain companies like repeatedly because their wigs are just amazing for me and my lifestyle. I don't like glue. I only use glue like when I'm traveling. I know that I don't want to have to deal with my hair or bother with my hair. That's when I use glue, but for the most part, 99% of the time, I use got2b or any type of like spray to hold my wig. So my wigs are completely glueless, all the wigs I wear. So I love wigs that you could literally get out the bag and not do anything to it, just install it and go. So wigs that are pre-bleached, pre-plucked, you know, all that kind of good stuff, pre-done, pre-customized, because as a beginner, obviously you don't want to have to deal with all that hassle. Let's just go ahead and install this hair and then we'll come back and talk about, you know, other things, okay?
I've worked on the disease to please a lot, and as you've heard me say, that in 1989 I had a really big breakthrough with that, reading Gary Zukav's book on intention. So I started literally living an intentional life where I don't make any decisions unless I think about what is my true, pure motivation for doing it, because I do recognize the law of cause and effect that says the intention informs even the cause, so that before you have an action there is a reason for you taking that action, and the reason for the action is what's going to actually show up in your life on the other end. That's what's going to come back to you, that intention. So that helped me a lot with the disease to please, because I was always giving, and then I was always so thrown when people would come back and ask for more. And I couldn't understand why they were asking for more. Well, people ask for more because your reason for giving it is so that they think that you're nice. That's your real intention. Well, they do think you're nice. They do think you're nice, and that is why they keep coming back. They come back because you're the nice one. You're going to say yes when even you mean no. So you're the person I'm going to call to go pick up my kids when I can't or don't want to, because you're going to say yes even if you don't want to do it. So that's why people keep coming back, when your intention is not really clear. So that took a lot of fear away from me. But at least for me, clarity of intention helped me live a more fearless life. You cannot live a brave life without disappointing some people. But those people who get disappointed, it's really okay. The people who really care for you, the people who are rooting for your rise, will not be disappointed. The only people who are disappointed are people who have their own agenda, and their agenda is not aligned with your agenda. And that's how I make myself brave. I say, well, the people who really care about you, who are rooting for your rise, those people who are rooting for your rise, they're going to be okay when you say no. I never read any comments that are coming from negative people. If I start to read something and shut it down, I will not take that in. I have a kitchen cabinet, and I've had a kitchen cabinet since the beginning of my career. Different people have been in that kitchen cabinet over the years, but there are a few people who are my resource, who I know are going to tell me the truth. Your cabinet can go through all of those comments, you know, because feedback is great and you can get it immediate now. Your cabinet will go through and they can share with you the things, even that are negative, but that are not mean-spirited. I'd come off the glory and the victory of 25 years of the Oprah show, and was trying to put together the pieces of building a network without the right pieces. I really was trusting other people's ideas about how to do it, and it wasn't until I had the good sense to bring in my own team of people whom I'd been working with for, you know, the past decade, that things start to actually fall into place for me. And, you know, one of the great things about, for me, doing interviews all these years on the Oprah show and on OWN, was that I got to learn from other people's mistakes. So I paid really close attention to the stories, and I got to hear everything and everybody, all the theories and all the stories and all the layers and layers of dysfunction, along with people's victories and their triumph. I took it in. I was a student of it. I wasn't just a talk show host. I was a student. I became a student of life, other people's lives, and how to live well by listening to those stories. So I paid real attention. I'm at a point in my life where I can literally rejoice in the knowing space that I hold.
Okay, so this is the finished look. It's very different for me in a while. I've had big hair like this with crimped curls, but the hair first was not loose deep wave. It was like body wave type texture. But you know, when you put crimps on like body wave type texture, it's like flatter. But putting crimps on like loose deep wave or deep wave hair, this is how it comes out to be, and I absolutely love it. And a big light hair. Honestly, it feels like there is nothing on my head. That's one thing I really love about this hair. And yeah, this is how the result is. This is how the look is. I absolutely love it. I'm going out tonight. That's pretty much everything for this hair. I'm going to leave all the details in the description box below. Go ahead and check MEGALOOKHAIRl. Thank you guys so much for sponsoring this video. Follow me on my socials. Thumbs up the video if you enjoyed it. Let me know your thoughts about the wig in the comment section below. Don't forget to do that. Also subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye. As I go on, God, watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors. As our day comes, as I go on, God, watch over me, oh Lord. Those of you that are listening in your car, at your job, you at home, I don't care where you at. Turn this up right now, cause we're about to go in. Hey,